Today I am going to demonstrate the iPad Air 4 and Air 5. If you know this, you can do everything else. The same process applied to any other model. I will explain you the very important thing first. So the hip plate that we use is SB5, the big hip plate. So when you do glass only, you're gonna have to use the packing tape like this. This is what you need. A little bit thick, the Olga plastic film, that's what you need, okay? So I'm gonna scrape it off just like that, nothing special. See the scrape of that adhesive? So the reason is we want to have that wire sit right on top of that area. So all you have to do is like slide it right under that, like this, leave it, and then you're gonna use this plastic film. Dip a little bit of alcohol, just a little bit. Make sure the backlight is not burned, and then you're gonna slide it using under the stencil, okay? Or not stencil, these tools. Slide it from under that tools because, as I mentioned earlier, LCD has to be very hot, okay? Now we are done with one side. I really recommend do this process on both ends. I will explain you why. I'm gonna slide it under that glass on top and then digitize it. So I'm gonna grab another plastic film and then slide it under that tools, which is going to be right under that area. Okay, that's it. Now the reason is if you make this kind of starting point, you don't even have to think. You just drop the wire and start cutting off. That's it. So this is a very beautiful cut. The reason I said that is because you see that 90 or 99% of the glue is still on the digitizer, which means you are not damaging digitizer at all. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop the temperature to 70 because this is the cleaning process. We wanna give directly heat from here to the back. In the cleaning process, we still need the heat, but we don't want too much heat because it's gonna burn the backlight. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the cleaning process. So I use this like spinning tools. You always have to like 90 degree level and then just pick up a little bit glue at a time. Just pick up a little bit glue at a time. And you don't want to spin too fast. And then the machine comes with this kind of metal attachment on the side. You can just grab it here and then let the glue go away. Clean up the glue like that, okay? Now I have set it to forward, which is forward means goes to that position, right? So I did set it to forward and then I put it toward me. So if opposite direction, let it spin opposite direction and then pull toward you. If you wanted to clean at the top, then I'm gonna do reverse and then do that, okay? You clean up a little bit glue at a time. Make sure the metal part is not poked into the digitizer. Now, as you see, all the majority of the glue is gone. I have a special deal with that company, made in USA, base food grade cleaning liquid, and with this white sponge, and that's it. Now you put it in the middle, make sure that the liquid doesn't go into the backlight. That's why we put it in the middle, and then you recycle it, and then we apply the first coating. We're gonna wait for 30 seconds. Okay, I feel like all the majority of the glue is gone. So we're gonna do the second step cleaning up, which is the 99% alcohol and cleaning cloths, the white cleaning cloth, okay? And then just start from the middle and then just clean it. Just don't give too much pressure because this LCD is a lot fragile than OLED. I like to work with OLED is because, yeah, it's very durable. It's not easy to break. It's very hard to break. Okay, I'm in clean room. It's a bit noisy because of the airflow coming down. And I have the green lights right here. A lot of small little dust you can see by the naked eyes. Only you can see it by the green eyes. And I did the final cleanup. And this is the glass with the Olga pre-install. So what I'm gonna do, you have to know where's the top and bottom because that one flex cable, this is top, there's a big notch, this is the bottom, where the camera hole is the top. You can just peel it off like that, so, okay, and then don't let it touch with your finger, and you just drop it on the top alignment mode. That's it. There's a hole in the bottom, so let it touch in the middle. That's it. Okay, we're gonna go into the laminators. So this time I'm gonna use the Oka Master laminator. It's the same, exactly the same as Nasan. So I'll just drop it here. 30 seconds for lamination and 30 seconds for vacuum. Now the lamination is done. Let's check on it. And you have to laminate right away. We shouldn't take too long. So this is kind of normal. A little bit bubble. So now we're gonna go move into the autoclave process. So this is the Oka Master autoclave as well, the big one, because the NASA one we just sold out. It sells so fast. So, and this machine I've been using for 5 years and no issue. The same with the NASA. So NASA machine is very small, so it's more better. So we're gonna put it in the machine for like 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the final result. Customer is waiting outside, so we have to be rushed a little bit. So this is the one that we did earlier. So as you see, all my fingerprint, OEM, refurb. You better love the profit margin.